Today we're making Easter Bunny Crunch popcorn. Today we're making a popcorn that we call Easter Bunny Crunch. This is in preparation for Easter coming up, and our customers love this flavor. To make this, we use the Easter M&Ms. We just get a big bag of these. We're gonna actually make a lot of this today because people we know love this and we like to give it away. We're using white baking chips, and we're also using rice Chex. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pop our plain popcorn in our Kernel King here. So this is a 6-ounce popper. We're gonna pop 6 ounces of popcorn kernels using 3 ounces of oil. We're actually gonna make probably 5 or 6 batches of plain popcorn in here. And then we're gonna take that plain popcorn and we're gonna add these other ingredients, and we'll show you how we do that. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get this thing heated up, turn on our heat, turn on our motor, so it starts spinning, and we'll let this heat up for about 3 or 4 minutes. All right, the kettle's nice and heated up. We're going to put in 3 ounces of oil. We're using corn oil today. And we're using 6 ounces of popcorn kernels. As you can see in there, it's starting to spin around. We're gonna close that lid and we're gonna let that pop. We're starting to pop here. Just a reminder that down below in the description will be links to all of the products we're using here today. So there's our popcorn popping out really great right now. We're gonna listen for it to slow down, and then we're gonna dump it. All right, it's not popping anymore. We're gonna dump this out. Make sure we get all of that extra popcorn out. We're gonna open this up. We're gonna make another batch. So 3 ounces of oil and 6 ounces of corn. Because we already had this kettle warmed up and we just did a batch, it takes a lot less time for that popcorn to start popping. All right, the popcorn stopped popping. We're gonna dump this out, make sure we get all the kernels out of there. We're gonna turn off the heat and the motor, and we're gonna take a look at all that popcorn we just popped. Now we're gonna take this popcorn and we're gonna add our other ingredients. We have 8 batches of popcorn because we're making a double batch. But in your 6-ounce theater style popper, you're gonna make 4 batches of popcorn. And with that 4 batches of popcorn, you're gonna use 1 box of rice Chex, 2 bags of the white baking chips, and you're gonna use 1 pound of the Easter M&Ms. We're gonna put in 2 packages of rice Chex. Two pounds of M&Ms. Oh yeah, look at those cool Easter M&Ms. Awesome. All right, now we're just gonna mix this up. All right, perfect. Now we're gonna take our packages of white chocolate and we're gonna melt them. Put in a bag of our white chocolate chips. We're gonna do 2 bags at once. So we'll put in our second bag. And we're gonna put a little bit of vegetable oil in there. And we're gonna stir it up. About a teaspoon of oil. Now we're gonna add this to the microwave. And we're gonna microwave for 2 minutes. All right, that was 1 minute. We're gonna take it, we're gonna give it a quick stir. Just a little bit more oil. It really depends on the consistency once you start melting it. Just needed just a little bit more to loosen it up. Put it back in the microwave for 1 more minute. All right, take out our chocolate. Give it another stir. Oh yeah, that's looking really good. Over here at our popcorn, and now we're going to pour the chocolate all over the popcorn, and we're gonna start mixing it up. While this is getting mixed up, we have 2 more bags of white chocolate chips getting melted. All right, that's starting to look really good. All right, this is the next 2 bags of white chocolate chips. We're gonna dump that on as well. All right, I'll get that all mixed up. The reason why we use the white chocolate chips is because it stays a little soft even after it solidifies. And that makes a nice coating on the Chex Mix and the popcorn and the M&Ms. All right, that's nice and coated. Now we're gonna take a look at it. All right, let's just take a couple pieces here. A couple M&Ms, some of the popcorn, some of the Chex Mix here. Let's take a look at it. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that's really great. The Chex Mix adds a whole different level of crunchiness to this. You have the popcorn, you have that Chex, and then you also have that chocolate of the white chocolate mixed with the chocolate of the M&Ms, that candy coating. That is so good. I know why people love this right around Easter time. This is really a fan favorite. So we made this in our theater style popcorn popper. You can too. So remember to get out there and get poppin'.